A new law may boost renters' credit score, but however, this may only apply to certain tenants. I'm Shantae Amani, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter. Starting April 1st, Assembly Bill AB 2747 reporting rent payments takes effect, allowing renters to opt in or out to reporting their positive credit history on their next lease, with the bill's intent giving tenants the option to build credit with every rent payment made. Speaking with Peter Chang, supervising attorney at Greater Bakersfield Legal Assistance, he tells me how this impacts new renters.
The intent of the bill is to make it easier for the tenant to rent, because if you're a new person to the market, you don't have credit history, then once you get your first rental, you're going to have credit history.
As this bill makes it easier for those starting who opt in that have no credit history to rent, build credit towards buying a house, car, and other things those dream to buy. But what happens if you have bad credit history?
So will you be sort of discriminated against because you decided not to opt in? That's an unintended consequence of this type of rule.
Even though this could potentially save you in the future, there could also be an added payment to your next lease that goes toward credit history reporting.
So let's say a credit reporting agency charges them $15 or $50 per month per tenant. The landlord cannot pass along that cost except to the maximum of $10 per month for each tenant.
With that extra added expense, that is a protection fee. You could expect your landlord must notify you instructions on how to opt in or out on your next renewal or if you switch to a new apartment.
Also, if you have a landlord that is inaccurate in their reporting, that may make it more difficult for you as a tenant in the future, because then you have to go back and correct the credit reporting.
This new change in lease offering renters to report positive credit only applies to landlords that have 16 rental units or more, or landlords who are a part of a corporation. As mentioned previously before, this bill will go into effect April 1st, and it is still unknown how this will play out for renters and landlords. I'm Shantae Amani, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter.